So hello students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to start chapter 38, World's Famous Airports. So here you have to match the following airport with the country. The airport is in the left side, the column, and the location column in the right side. You have to match the airport with their countries where the airport is located. Number 1, Beijing Capital International Airport is in China. Number C, Beijing, China. Then Incheon International Airport is Seoul, South Korea. Then Changi International Airport is in Singapore City, Singapore. Then Cairo International Airport, it's located in Cairo, Egypt. Then John F. Kennedy International Airport is in New York City, USA. Then Madrid Barajas International Airport is in Madrid, Spain. Then Charles de Gaulle International Airport is in Paris, France. Then Denver International Airport is in Denver, United States. Then Indira Gandhi International Airport is in New Delhi, India. Then King Fahd International Airport is in Dammam, city of Saudi Arabia. The Dammam, city of Saudi Arabia. Fact. So Beijing Capital International Airport is the largest, busiest airport in Asia. It is in China and it is the largest, busiest airport in Asia. The Indira Gandhi International Airport is the largest airport in India. This airport is located in Delhi and it is the largest airport in India. Then Hartsfield, then Jackson Atlanta International Airport in Georgia, that is in USA. It is the world's busiest airport. Now, chapter 39, Heritage Sites of the World. Any place holding special culture or physical significance is listed as a World Heritage Site by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO. The full form of UNESCO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. So any place that holds special culture or physical significance is listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. So here identify and write the name of such sites with the help of clue given below. So here the clue are given and we have to write the name of such site. It is the world's largest coral reef system on the northeast coast of Australia. So here the help box is given and we have to take the help from the help box and write the correct answer. The world's largest coral reef system on the northeast coast of Australia, the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef. Now number 2, it is the one of the most sacred place in Christendom and it is the world's smallest country. It is Vatican City. Vatican City. Now number 3, it is situated in Cambodia and it is the largest religious monument in the world. So it is Angkor Wat. Now number 4, it is the largest waterfall in the world. It is located in southern Africa on the Zambezi River. The largest waterfall in the world and it is located in South Africa is Victoria Falls. Number 5, it is the world's oldest and deepest freshwater lake situated in southern Siberia. Lake Baikal. So it's Lake Baikal. So it is the best known prehistoric monument situated in England. It symbolizes mystery, power, and endurance. So, the best known prehistoric monument situated in England is Stonehenge. Stonehenge. Number 7. It contains the world's largest mangrove forest and the only one that is inhabited by the tiger. It is located between India and Bangladesh. So it is Sundarbans. Sundarbans is the world's largest mangrove forest and the only one that is inhabited by the tiger. And Sundarbans is located between India and Bangladesh. Now number 40, chapter 40, famous dances. Dance is a unique art form of expression. So the unique art form of expression is dance. Some calls it is a communication between body and soul. So some calls it a communication between the body and soul. Many exceptional dancers have graced the dance floors over the years, and given below are the image of few popular dancers. So we have to identify them and write their names in the space provided. So number 1 is Birju Maharaj. So here the help box is given. We can take the help from this. So see the pictures of Birju Maharaj, images given. So then number 2 is here Shakira, the famous dancer Shakira. Is Shakira. Then is number 3 the Michael Jackson. We know him very well. Then number 4 is Prabhudeva, the very famous dancer Prabhudeva. Now 5 is see the picture is the image of Sudha Chandran, the very famous dancer Sudha Chandran. Then picture of Sonal Mansingh. Sudha Chandran became an established Bharatnatyam dancer despite losing a leg to gangrene following a road accident. Despite losing a leg, she became an established Bharatnatyam dancer. So that's all for today. We will start the new chapter in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.